Hey Mike, thank you for clicking on my video today. Today I want to discuss three different things that we can do to better your online presence. Today we're looking at dry write flood, and we'll just take a quick look at your website, and it looks pretty good. I like the backdrop that you have here. I like the way you did your brand right here. It looks pretty nice. But what Google really looks for is content, and that's the first thing that we're going to talk about. But before we get into that, my name is Joshua Gutierrez. I work for Peterson SEO, and my goal is to just be a good guide for you to help you better your online presence. So, with that, let's get right to it. So, let's continue discussing content. Now, what Google really loves is content. Google loves about 1,500 to 2,000 words of content. So let's take a look at your competitors' content, see what they're doing. Restoration Master Finder. Now keep in mind these top three up here is where you want to be, or these three down here, which is the organics. Now 70% of customers, customers will find you in these three top spots. They'll skip these ones. 30% will find you here. But let's take a quick look at your competitor's website and see how much content they got. Alright, so Restoration Master Finder is your competition. Let's take a quick look. Okay, very basic what they have. They don't have keywords. That's one thing they can do is tie in keywords in their own page every 250 words or so. And I don't see that. So they have about 1,000 words of content, which still can use some work. We can beat them in content. So that being said, let's move on to the second topic of discussion. Let's talk about keywords and backlinks real briefly. So let's go into a tool. It's called Ahrefs. Now I put in your website, dryflood.com, and I will plug it in this tool, and we will see the results. And basically, it will tell us, give us a present live view of your website and what it's doing right now. So it really shows that you have no data for strength, no trust rating so far. It's probably because of content, and you want to have a lot of content because Google really likes that. You got to Since you've been around, you have one backlink, one referring domain, and 5 organics tapped to it. You do not have any organic traffic. So let's kind of see what your competitor's doing. So Restoration Master Finder, they're pretty strong. They got 119K backlinks, 7.6 referring domains. But take a look here. They got 75.2K of organic traffic onto them. So what would that be worth to you? Would you be willing to do what it takes to get you up here and get all their clients that they're getting? What would you do with an extra 20 to 50K a month? Like that would be amazing, right? So, but like I said, we have access to everything that they have. Organic keywords, 59.4K keywords. We can just kind of click on here, and I can just show you real quick on what it looks like. So here we go. We have the keywords here. Basically, these are all the keywords that they're gonna be using, or that they are using. This is the volume of each one and KDs. But the thing is, we have access to all these, so we can target whatever keywords we want, attach them to ours, and do a few more extra, and then some. So basically, in a nutshell, to rank with backlinks and keywords, we got to do a little bit more than they are. Do what they're doing, and then a little bit more. So with that, let's. But before we jump to the next item up for discussion, backlinks are not created equal, so they're all totally different. And as long as you're saving everything organically, then it won't take much to get you there. So let's go back and discuss about citations a little bit. And what citations really are is just a bunch of directories tied to your Google Business Profile, which is in top 3 of the map pack, which is right here. So Orange County Restoration, Same Day, and Certified, these are all organic spots. Now, like as we mentioned earlier, only 30% of people search here. They'll scroll down here, and they'll go to Angie, ServPro, and Restoration. Now, keep in mind, we have to beat Restoration just to be under ServPro. So if we can beat these guys, we can definitely beat Angie's, because keep in mind, Angie's is national, so they're not targeting local. So if we targeted local keywords for that, then we'd basically beat them. Back to citations. As long as you can save everything at 100%, your profile, properly save your pictures, and so we just got to basically research Orange Restoration, see what they're doing, and then we can definitely do what they're doing and then some. So if we could do what they're doing, research, and then some, saving pictures properly, things of that nature, then we can definitely land a spot at these top 3 here. Um, so with that, that's pretty much all I have for you, Mike. And I just want to let you know, if you need a guide to help you uh, guide you in the right direction with this, just let me know. My name is Joshua Gutierrez with Peterson SEO. You can call me at 505-331-7995. And if not, no harm, no foul. I mean, this is free information for you to use and do what you please with. So with that being said, I hope you enjoyed the information, and have a good day. Thank you. Bye-bye.